Before this video start, I would like to introduce to you guys my website. Please visit it to support me or contact me, so enjoy. Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Kovalef here. And yes, I am still alive, and yes, I am still myself. As you might have known, for the past 4 weeks I have not uploaded anything. Well, it is because my ISP or internet service provider has held me hostage. At January the 3rd, my Wi-Fi has become very slow, like 0.01 Mbps. Yes, that is accurate. I use Ookla speed test to measure it, but that is not the point. In that night the Wi-Fi has been cut of my house. Yeah, and I was about to upload a video during the next day, but too bad. I am currently at my babushka house uploading this video because I have enough of my ISP playing with me around. My ISP said that it was a power outage, but how the hell could there be a power outage, or else they will be bankrupt by now and their website should be down. Do not get me started on the website, it is full of ads and yet their CSS is shit. But overall I have a good break away from my Wi-Fi and it was fun to travel to another city again. So I hope you understand and enjoy. Please subscribe, like, share and bye.
Damn it. Got behind the wheels, you know.